If you missed out on our bullish long trade on gold 3 weeks ago, which is now more than 100% profit, it may not be too late, because on the last trading day, we detected an unusual trade on another gold mining company that could potentially be another profitable opportunity. So in this video, we will share this unusual option activity and also go over our current gold trade, which is in this video. We'll put a link at the top here. If you missed it, make sure to watch it to learn how we were able to predict this gold rally that we're currently seeing. Okay, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on these profitable opportunities. In this video, we shared our trade in gold for these 15 strike call options. Expires June 21st. They were going for $152 each. And you can see the current profit of $159 each. And so $159 divided by 152 cost times 100 is 104% profit currently. Okay. Now, another way to look at this is, as you can see from going back to the historical prices on March 15, this is the March 15 trading day. When we got into this trade, you can see here these June 21st options at the 15 strike call. Here, they were going for $148 to $152. Okay, that's where we got the $152. And if you look at the prices now, currently for these June 21st options, you can see that they are worth twice as much at the 15 strike calls, $305 to $325. And that's why it is 100% profitable. Okay, it's our position still in this trade. We started taking some profits just to cover our cost basis because we have a lot more contracts in these trades. Okay, so if you're interested in the higher probability of profit trades, make sure to go to our website where we share with our membership the stock picks that the wealthy investors are trading, more than millions of dollars, sometimes insider information that they are trading on. Okay, and so we set up our option strategies also to reduce risk as well to increase our profits. So find out more on our website. For the current trade in gold, what we found on the last trading day was this unusual option activity on Eldorado Gold, ticker symbol EGO. Ego. Something you don't want to have when you trade. Okay, we want to use data to trade, not with ego. Okay, no emotions. All right, so for example, we can see here ego is currently overbought on the technical indicators. Could cause a lot of emotions, right? A lot of fear that it could drop, pull back. But as you may know, we trade with data so that we don't trade with emotions. None of that. All right. And so as we are at new highs, the data that we detected, you can see here on the option time and sales tape happening on the last trading day, April 5th. All of these happening around at the same time, 12/14. These October 18 strike calls and April 19, 15 strike calls. All right, so you can see that these were the same trades, same trader. Okay, what are they doing? Well, when we take a look at this trade in more detail on the chain on April 5th, for the April 19s, you can see these 15 strike calls, 5,800 volume being traded on April 5th. 6,700 open interest. They were closing out, taking profits. Okay, these 5,800 closing out, taking profits, and moving to a higher strike price and a further date, the October 18th. Okay, right here. You can see 5,800 volume. Clearly opening trades because you can see that the open interest is just 12 at this 18 strike call. Okay, so you can see that our position is also in the same 18 strike call, simply just following this trade with a lower position size to manage our risk. Okay, so here they are. This is the 18 strike call option. Clearly a bullish long trade here with a positive delta. Okay, and you can see that as the price of Eldorado Gold goes up, these call options become profitable. If it goes down, it is a loss. All right, now keep in mind there is a break even all the way up here at $19 here, right? This is about $19 share price. So if we take a look at the charts for Eldorado Gold to go up and break $19, this would imply a potential move of about 26%. Okay, so keep that in mind, right? We are overbought technically. So could we continue to move up 26% for these call options to be profitable? Maybe, maybe not. But keep in mind, these call options become profitable immediately. If you look at the purple line, they become profitable immediately. They don't necessarily have to wait until October. Okay, so if Eldorado Gold moves up currently now, it becomes profitable immediately. Okay, it does not have to wait. Although they can wait, it gives them more time to be right until October. Right? It may pull back and then go up higher. Right? So this is all a probability game here. Just looking at the probabilities, deciding what could potentially happen when we trade based on the data. All right, so if you are interested in the higher chance of profit trades, make sure to go to our website. This is a lower chance of profit trade in comparison to the ones that we share on our website. If you missed out on our gold video that we shared 3 weeks ago, we will also put a link to that over here. Make sure to watch that so you can learn more on how we use our strategy and analyze stocks with unusual option activity to find out how the wealthy investors are trading so that we can also make money while they are getting rich and richer on Wall Street. Take care and have a great day.